Hello everyone, welcome to Sharda Cook. Our today's recipe is Rajasthani Gatte ki sabji. Let's go through the ingredients. For gatta, we will need 1 cup of gram flour or besan, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, pinch of hing. Now for the gravy, 1½ cup of beaten yogurt, 2 teaspoons of gram flour, some dry red chili and curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of rye or mustard seeds, half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste and oil. So firstly we will start preparing the gatta. For that we are going to take besan or gram flour. Next add in turmeric powder and red chili powder. Then we are going to add ajwain. Next crushed coriander seeds, hing, ginger chili paste, oil, and now mix everything well. After mixing, slowly add the yogurt and mix well. We need a hard batter or hard dough. So there is no need of water as yogurt just sets the dough. Lastly, we are going to grease it with some oil. Now we will give the shape to the gattas. For that, firstly we are going to grease our hands with some oil so that it doesn't stick. Now take a handful of amount and then start giving it a shape, something like this. So you get this shape like a long stick. So make all these shapes just like this. So we have got these shapes to the gatta. Now on the side we are going to keep the water to boil. So we have already boiled the water. Now we are going to drop in the gattas. Slowly drop in your gattas. Now we are going to cook it in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes until your gattas comes up, like float up. Keep it on high flame. So it's been 10 to 15 minutes and our gattas have been boiled and you can see they have floated up. Now we are going to remove them. After removing, let it cool down for 5 minutes and then we are going to cut it. So after cooling down, we are going to just cut it. So after cutting, we get something like this. Now we will start the preparation for the gravy. For that we are going to take the beaten yogurt and then we will add in the gram flour and just a little bit of turmeric powder. Next we are going to whisk it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Add in some water, just a little bit of water, and then whisk it well. Now on the side we are going to heat the pan. Add oil, heat the oil. Now we are going to add in mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Next we are going to add in cumin seeds and fennel seeds, red chilies and curry leaves. Now add in your gattas. Now we will add in red chili powder. Now we are going to add the yogurt mixture. And make sure to keep it stirring continuously. Don't leave it even for a minute. Keep on stirring it very continuously. Now you need to keep it on stirring continuously until you get that boil. So do not leave it and keep it stirring. So you can see it has got boils. Now we are going to add in just a little bit of water. You can add as much required. Now we are going to add salt. The reason to add the salt at the end is so that the yogurt does not spill and we get that nice texture. Lastly we are going to add garam masala. Now give it a stir and mix everything well. So now just cook it for more 2 minutes and then we will turn off the flame. Now we are going to top it with some coriander leaves. So there you go, our Rajasthani Gatte ki sabji is ready. It has got a beautiful texture. It also tastes really good. For more other Rajasthani recipes, we have more videos you can check out on our channel Sharda Cook. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.